OpenAI has recently introduced some exciting new features to ChatGPT, and I thought it would be worthwhile to go over them with you, sharing some feedback and tips on how to make the most of these enhancements based on my experience as a frequent user. A quick overview of the new features. Prompt examples. This edition provides users with suggestions to kickstart a session. GPT-4 by default. Now, if you have a paid account, your previously selected model will be remembered, defaulting to GPT-4 instead of GPT 3.5. Multiple file upload. You can now ask ChatGPT to analyze data and generate insights across several files. Stay logged in. No more being logged out every 2 weeks or every time you go to a new device. Keyboard shortcuts. Enhance your efficiency with shortcuts. Diving deeper into the features. Prompt examples are great, especially when you're dealing with a mental block. They can give you a jump start in your session. Currently, these prompts are pre-written, and while they can be helpful, they may not always be directly applicable to your needs. A potential improvement could be to allow users to customize and share these prompts, creating a searchable library of user-generated prompts. GPT-4 by default is a feature that will save users a click every time they log in. While GPT 3.5 is faster and was available even in free accounts, GPT-4, despite being exclusive to paid accounts, is more extensively trained and provides more in-depth answers. The cap of 50 messages every 3 hours for GPT-4 might occasionally limit high-intensity users, but most users will find this sufficient for their needs. With multiple file uploads, especially in the code interpreter mode, you can now upload several files simultaneously for data analysis, an improvement over the previous single file restriction. You can upload data files like Excel, CSV, or PDF, and then query the data. For example, if you upload a contact list, you can ask ChatGPT to tell you which city you have the most contacts in or what the most common profession among your contacts is. This feature has tremendous potential for large-scale data analysis. The Stay Logged In feature means you no longer have to go through the cumbersome login process every 2 weeks or every time you switch devices, saving users both time and frustration. Keyboard shortcuts are a small but significant update. If you're an intensive user, you will find these shortcuts, like Ctrl plus Shift plus C to copy code blocks, quite handy. Overall, these updates promise to streamline and improve your ChatGPT experience. Whether it's avoiding unnecessary logins, saving clicks with the default model option, or providing an effective tool for data analysis with the ability to upload multiple files, these changes enhance productivity and make your interaction with ChatGPT more efficient. Do keep exploring these features and let us know about your experiences and any interesting discoveries you make. We're excited to see the innovative ways in which you incorporate these updates into your work.